So in this particular play, we have three characters. The first one is Ivan Lomov. So Ivan Lomov is a long-time wealthy neighbor of Stephen Chubukov. So the first character is Ivan Lomov, and he's a neighbor. He's a wealthy neighbor of Stephen Chubukov, who's also wealthy and comes to seek the hand of Chubukov's 25-year-old daughter Natalia. So this one's the third character. So Ivan Lomov hai, who has come to ask for hand of Stephen Chubukov's daughter Natalia. So all three are quarrelsome people. Quarrelsome means झगड़ालू हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब they keep on quarreling over small petty things. So you may be able to relate it with some people around you जो कि बात-बात पे झगड़ा कर देते हैं, or even on smaller matters, and they quarrel on petty things. The proposal is in danger of being forgotten amidst all the quarreling, but good economic good sense ensures that the proposal is made after all, although the quarreling perhaps continues. So let us just begin the chapter. So, a drawing room in Chubukov's house. Lomov enters wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Chubukov rises to meet him. So, Lomov, ये जो scene है, so that is in the drawing room of Chubukov's house. So, Lomov enters and he is wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Dress jacket means जो सूट होता है तो उसकी जैकेट पहना हुआ है सूट का, with white gloves. Chubukov rises to meet him. Chubukov, my dear fellow, whom do I see? Ivan Vasilovich. I am extremely glad. Squeezing his hand. Now this is a surprise, my darling. How are you? So Chubukov is surprised to see Ivan Vasilovich there. So the full name of Ivan Lomov is Ivan Vasilovich Lomov. So he says that whom do I see? Ivan Vasilovich. And on the face of it at least, he is glad to meet Lomov. So Lomov replies, thank you, and how may you be getting on? Chubukov, we just get along somehow, my angel. Thanks to your prayers, and so on. Sit down, please do. Now, you know, you shouldn't forget all about your neighbors, my darling, my dear fellow. Why are you so formal in your get-up? Evening dress, gloves, and so on. Can you be going anywhere, my treasure? So, look, when I am reading it, जिस तरीके से लिखा हुआ है, तो it is a little bit difficult to understand क्योंकि ये it was written 130 years back. तो उस टाइम में बोलने का तरीका थोड़ा बहुत अलग हुआ करता था, लिखने का स्पेशली. So Chubukov क्या कहता है कि Lomov asked him कि how may you be getting along, या how have you been doing, जो आजकल हम पूछते हैं. So Chubukov answers कि everything's well, especially thanks to your prayers. कि भाई कहते हैं ना, बात करते हैं कि आपकी दुआ से सब अच्छा है, तो similar kind of things they are talking. So sit down, please do. And then he asked that neighbors shouldn't forget neighbors. तो मतलब neighbors को neighbors याद रहना चाहिए, मिलते रहना चाहिए basically. And then he asked him कि why are you in a formal get-up? कि भाई पड़ोस में ही रहते हो, तो there was no need of wearing formal clothes. Normally भी आ ही सकते थे. So have you been planning to go somewhere? My treasure या जो कुछ भी ये जैसे words है ना, तो my treasure means my precious, या कहने का तरीका है, जैसे यूं कह देते हैं ना बात करते हुए मेरे लाल, इस तरीके से my treasure यूज कर रहा है. So he asked him कि भाई इतना बन ठन के आए हो कि are you planning to go somewhere? So Lomov says, no, I've come only to see you, honored Stefanovich. So Lomov तो कहता है कि मतलब yes I've dressed up but I have come only to meet you and I'm not planning to go somewhere. So Chupukov replies that then why are you in evening dress, my precious, as if you're paying a New Year's Eve visit. Lomov, well, you see, it's like this. Takes his arm. I've come to you, honored Stephen Stefanovich, to trouble you with a request. Not once or twice have I already had the privilege of applying to you for help, and you have always, so to speak, I must ask your pardon. I'm getting excited. I shall drink some water, honored Stephen Stefanovich. So, because he's going to ask for his daughter's hand, तो प्रपोज करने के लिए आया है, तो दैट इज व्हाई ही इज क्वाइट नर्वस. तो ही सेज दैट आई हैव ओनली कम टू मीट यू, मैं कहीं और नहीं जा रहा हूँ, ऑनर्ड स्टीफन स्टीफनोविच. तो जो भी मक्खन लगा रहा है तो ही इज यूजिंग वर्ड्स सच एज ऑनर्ड स्टीफन स्टीफनोविच. सो ही सेज दैट ही हैज कम टू ट्रबल यू विद अ रिक्वेस्ट, कि एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है जिसकी वजह से मतलब जो परेशान करने के लिए आई हैव कम हियर एंड I've come here only to speak to you. I must ask. तो ये जब ये कह रहा है, जब ये बात करता है तो ये काफी फंबल कर रहा है, काफी I mean rather than going straight away to the point, इधर उधर की बात कर रहा है. और because he's getting nervous, he asked for some water. So Chubukov aside, he's come to borrow money. Shan't give him any. तो aside means जब जैसे प्ले चल रहा होता है ना, तो उसमें कुछ बातें होती हैं जो जो कैरेक्टर होता है उसके मन में चल रही होती है, तो उसका करने के लिए क्या थोड़ा साइड में होकर ऐसे धीरे से बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं, विच इज टू डिपिक्ट कि ये इसके दिमाग में चल रहा है, ये सोच रहा है. तो ये इसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है चुपुकॉव के, ही इज कम टू बोरो मनी, शैंट गिव हिम एनी, कि अगर ये पैसे मांगने आया होगा जरूर, इतना बंठन के आया है, एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव हिम एनी मनी. फिर जोर से, लेकिन ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट क्या कह रहा है, व्हाट इज माय ब्यूटी, कि देखो माय ब्यूटी भी जो यूज किया है डजंट मीन दैट लोमोव इज ब्यूटीफुल, इट मींस कि वो जैसे लाल वाला बात है ना कि माय ट्रेजर, माय प्रेशियस, उसी तरीके से माय ब्यूटी वो वर्ड यूज करता है. सो पूछता है कि व्हाट इज इट दैट यू कम हियर फॉर. लोमोव, you see, honored Stefanich, I beg your pardon, Stefan Honorich, I mean, I'm awfully excited. As you will please notice, in short, you alone can help me, though I don't deserve it, of course, and haven't any right to count on your assistance. So again, he's getting nervous. तो नाम क्या है, Stefanovich. तो fumble करने लग जाता है. He says, honored Stefanich, I beg your pardon, Stephen Honorich. Honored Stefanovich की जगह Stephen Honorich. I mean, I am awfully excited. Awfully means इतना excited that it is making me uncomfortable. As you will notice, in short, you only can help me. Although I don't deserve it. कि आप ही मेरी help कर सकते हो, but I don't deserve your help, of course, because because I don't have any right to count on your assistance. Chubukov, oh, don't go round and round it, darling. Spit it out well. So he says कि भाई सीधा बात करो, don't just बात घुमाओ फिराओ मत, don't go round and round it. ऐसे आजकल खैर कोई बात नहीं करता don't go round and round it. Just spit it out, कि बाहर निकालो and just get it over with. Lomov, one moment. This very minute, the fact is I've come to ask the hand of your daughter, Natalia Stefanova, in marriage. So finally he says, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter. That means he wants to get married to Chubukov's daughter, Natalia Stefanova. Okay, in this image, there they are talking to each other. So Chubukov joyfully, by Jove, Ivan Vasilovich, say it again. I didn't hear it at all. Lomov, I have the honor to ask. Chubukov interrupting, my dear fellow, I'm so glad, and so on. Yes, indeed, and all that sort of thing. Embraces and kisses Lomov. I've been hoping for it for a long time. It's been my continual desire, sheds a tear, and I always loved you, my angel, as if you are my own son. May God give you both his help and his love, and so on, and so much hope. What am I behaving? What am I behaving in this idiotic way for? I'm off balance with joy, absolutely off my balance. Oh, with all my soul, I'll go and call Natasha and all that. So, when he proposes, when Lomo proposes, he asks for Chubukov's daughter's hand. तो पहले तो वो कहता है कि I didn't hear it at all. और जब लोमोव बोलने लगता है वापस से रिप्लाई करने लगता है, he thought कि सही में नहीं सुना होगा, तो he replies, I have the honor to ask. तो बीच में इंटरप्ट कर देता है. So interrupting he says, yeah, I am so glad that you said this thing. तो बाकी जो भी अंकल वाला सिस्टम रहता है, he embraces him, he hugs him, he kisses him, और फालतू की बकवास शुरू कि it has been my continuous desire, कि इसके दिमाग में खैर पहले कुछ और चल रहा था. यूं कह रहा था कि पैसे तो मांगने नहीं आया है, कि I'm not going to give him any money if he asks for. हाँ, लेकिन शुरू हो जाता है कि I had been hoping this for a long time, कि you are going to come and ask for my daughter's hand, and he even shed a tear. तो crocodile tears जैसे हमने बात की थी, तो that sort of thing, तो आंसू भी निकाल देता है, खुशी के आंसू थे. I've always loved you, my angel. So again he's using my angel. तो कितने तरीके से my angel, my precious, whatever all kind of things that he's saying, as if you are my own son, कि मैंने तो तुम्हें हमेशा बेटे की तरह समझाया है. I've always loved you. And उसके साथ में आशीर्वाद भी कर रहा है, may God give you both his help and his love, and so on and so much. So then he says कि भाई इस तरीके से अजीब तरीके से क्यों behave कर रहा हूँ. Probably I'm off balance, कि I am excited so much that you have proposed for my daughter's hand, that I'm off balance now. And oh, with all my soul, I'll go and call Natasha and all that. So he says that I'll just call Natasha now, and he then moves out. Lomo, greatly moved, honored Stephen Stefanovich. Do you think I may count on her consent? So he says, Lomo asks, कि भाई, shall I count on her consent? कि आपने तो you are very happy, you agreed, you have hugged me, you have kissed me, but shall I also count on Natalia's consent as well? कि क्या वो भी हाँ कह देगी या नहीं? So Chubukov says, why, of course, my darling, and as if she won't consent. She's in love, a cat. She's like a lovesick cat, and so on. Shan't be long. And he exits. तो Chubukov क्या कहता है इसका कि अरे of course she is going to consent. Consent क्यों नहीं करेगी? Why won't she consent? She is in love. She's like a lovesick cat. तो बड़ा चढ़ा के और बोल रहा है, because he is also excited. क्योंकि जैसे पहले बताया था ना कि इन रशिया दिस वाज अ ट्रेंड कि एक बड़ा लैंडलॉर्ड दूसरे लैंडलॉर्ड से, और रिच पीपल यूज्ड टू मैरी ईच अदर, तो दोनों रिच है, तो ही इज आल्सो हैप्पी कि इसका एस्टेट भी मेरा हो जाएगा, हमारा एस्टेट बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो कहता है कि शी इज इन लव, कि उसको पता भी नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी कमेंट कर रहा है कि वो तो प्यार में है, एंड शी इज लाइक अ लव सिक कैट, एंड सो ऑन, एंड shan't be long. Shan't be long means that he is going to go now and call her now. Lomov, it's cold. So अभी जो स्टेज है, तो स्टेज पे सिर्फ लोमोव है. Chubukov has left the stage. It's cold. I'm trembling all over, just as if I'd got an examination before me. The great thing is I must have my mind made up. If I give myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an ideal or for a real love, then I'll never get married. So ये अपने, he's feeling cold, ठंडा पड़ा हुआ है, and he's shaking, he's trembling, like an examination is before him. So जब exam होता है, you are nervous. So similar is his condition, क्योंकि इसने propose तो कर दिया, अभी he doesn't know whether it is going to get accepted or not. So that is why he's trembling. हाँ, but within himself he's thinking कि it is good that I have made up of my mind, कि mindset कर लिया that I have to marry this particular girl. क्योंकि if I am going to look out for real love, then I am never going to get married. That means that अगर सच्चा प्यार ढूंढने चले तो सच्चा प्यार नहीं मिलने वाला है, and he is never going to get married. So it is better to get married to someone nearby. It's cold. Natalia. Natalia Stefanova is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, well educated. What more do I want? But I'm getting noise in my ears from excitement, drinks, and it's impossible for me not to marry. In the first place, I'm already 35, a critical age, so to speak. In the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. I suffer from palpitations. तो इससे पहले बता देते हैं। देखो अभी वो क्या सोच रहा है, क्योंकि he says that he has made up his mind. और किस बेसिस पे इसने माइंड बनाया है कि पहले तो he is not going to find any love, कि अगर he is going to search for love, true love, कि he'll never get married. और उसके बाद में जस्टिफाई करता है अपने डिसीजन को कि नटालिया स्टेफनोवा इज एन एक्सेलेंट हाउसकीपर, कि घर अच्छे से संभाल लेगी, नॉट बैड लुकिंग, चलो ठीक ठाक है, शी इज नॉट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बट शी इज आल्सो नॉट बैड लुकिंग, शी इज आल्सो वेल एजुकेटेड. तो तीन क्वालिटीज तो बता दी, अब इससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए, व्हाट मोर डू आई वांट. But I am getting this noise in my ears from excitement and it's impossible for me to not to marry. तो ये अभी अपनी नेगेटिव चीजें सोच रहा है कि चलो ये तो ठीक है, why I should marry her because of her. अब ये बता रहा है why should I marry her because of me, कि मेरे अंदर क्या क्या है, I am getting noise in my ears from excitement. So he drinks some water and it's impossible. So it is impossible for him to not to marry, क्योंकि 35 साल का हो गया, अभी तक शादी नहीं हुई है. So obviously it is too late for him to get in love. प्यार व्यार होना था तो वो पहले हो जाता. Now he is 35, अब तो शादी करनी ही पड़ेगी. I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. I suffer from palpitations. I am excitable and always getting awfully upset. So इसके साथ में और क्या होता है कि he leads a regular life and he suffers from palpitation. Palpitations means suddenly heartbeat increase हो जाती है, increase या low हो जाए, तो that is what you call palpitations. I am excitable and always getting awfully upset. So he gets excited very easily, कि मतलब anxious बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, so excited बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है, या upset बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है, तो दोनों चीजें इसके साथ में बहुत होती है. And at this very moment my lips are trembling and there's a twitch in my right eyebrow. So because he's getting excited now, because he's going to talk to Natalia now. Natalia is going to come in any time, so he's getting excited and because of that his lips are trembling. So when you're excited or when you're scared, तो lips tremble करने लग जाते हैं, you're not able to speak, so you're probably scared. And there's a twitch in my right eyebrow. Twitch क्या होता है, कई बार होता है ना, आपके आई अपने आप मूव करने लग जाती हैं. कोई भी eyebrow, मतलब you try to control. आंख फटकना कहते हैं, कि वो कहावत है ना, मेरी आंख फटक रही है, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, तो that sort of things. So there is a twitch in my eye. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि I'm just telling you so that you understand the meaning of twitch. ये सही उसी जगह पर यूज नहीं होया हुआ है कि there is a twitch in my eye, so probably because he is getting excited too much or he is getting scared too much, उसकी वजह से there is a twitch in his eye, आंख अपने आप फटक रही है. But the very worst of all is the way I sleep. I no sooner get into bed and begin to go off when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull and I can feel it in my shoulder and head. I jump like a lunatic. Lunatic means someone who has an unstable mind. पागल की तरीके से, very unstable person psychologically. Walk about a bit and lie down again. But as soon as I begin to get off to sleep, there's another pull, and this may happen 20 times. तो एक और खराब चीज जो अपने बारे में बात कर रहा है अपने आप से ही, कि the worst of all is the way I sleep, कि जिस तरीके से मैं सोता हूँ, it is really awful, कि जैसे ही लेटने लगता है तो there is a pull in his leg. कई बार होता है ना कि कुछ ऐसे लगता है कि खिंच रहा है, तो that sort of thing, he feels a pull in his leg. And he jumps out of the bed like a lunatic, कि पता नहीं क्या हो गया, that is why he jumps out. He walks again, थोड़ा बहुत walk करता है कि शायद ठीक हो जाए, and then he gets back to his bed again. दोबारा सोने की कोशिश करता है, वापस से there is a pull in another leg. तो ये लगभग 20 बार होता है, तो ये सो नहीं पा रहा है, बेसिकली सो भी नहीं पाता है. तो there are a lot of things of trouble in him as well. ये जानता है कि मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, मेरे अंदर ही इतनी कमियां हैं. So it is better कि भाई जो भी मौका लग रहा है, जो भी हाथ में लग रहा है, you take that. So Natalia comes in now. Natalia, well there, it's you. And Papa said, go, there's a merchant come for his goods. How do you do, Ivan Vasilovich? So Natalia क्या कहते हैं? Okay, it's you. So she recognizes him, that it is Lomov, and because ये इसके फादर ने चुबुकोव जब when he went and went to talk to Natalia, तो उसने कहा there's a merchant come for his good, कि ये दुकानदार आया अपना सामान लेने के लिए, इस तरीके से उसने कहा. डायरेक्टली नहीं बताया there is someone who has come to propose you, कि a merchant has come to come for his goods. So she asked him, how do you do, Lomov? How do you do, honored Natalia Stefanova? तो again मक्खन लगाने की कोशिश कर रहा है because he wants to propose and he wants the proposal to be accepted. Natalia, you must excuse my apron and negligee. We are shelling peas for drying. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Sit down. Won't you have some lunch? So she asked for she says that excuse me for my apron and negligee. So apron is something जो when you're cooking, तो cooking के टाइम में ताकि कपड़े गंदे ना हो तो you wear an apron. या कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो, जैसे पॉटर्स होते हैं तो पॉटर्स भी काम करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर नहीं करते हैं, खैर बाहर की कहानी है भाई, बाहर लोग पहनते हैं. किचन में तो खैर nowadays people tend to wear aprons as well, कि गंदे ना हो जाए, especially when you're cleaning your utensils. So she's wearing an apron and negligee. So this is negligee is a dress. तो girls को पता होगा, it is a type of dress. तो फ्रॉक टाइप की होती है, फ्रॉक जैसी नहीं होती लेकिन sort of dress. So she is wearing an apron and negligee. So she asks him to excuse this dress because it was not a very formal dress. She was doing some work. And what kind of work was she doing? We are shelling peas for drying. तो मटर छील रहे थे सुखाने के लिए. So she asked him, why haven't you been here for a long time? And won't you have some lunch? So Lomov says, no thank you, I've had some already. So lunch के लिए पूछा, no, I have already have my lunch. Natalia, then smoke. Here are the matches. The weather is splendid now, but yesterday it was so wet that workmen didn't do anything all day. How much hay have you stacked? Just think. I felt greedy and had a whole field cut, and now I'm not at all pleased about it because I'm afraid my hay may rot. I ought to have waited a bit. But what's this? Why you're in evening dress? Well, I never. Are you going to ball or what? Though I must say you look better. Tell me why you got up like that. So when he refuses that I have already had my lunch, she says, then smoke. That means have a cigarette or whatever, a cigar or BD, whatever that they may be smoking. So she offers him matches. And then she talks about the weather. Small talk शुरुआत तो इसी तरीके से होती है कि okay, the weather is splendid now. So the weather splendid means wonderful. So the weather is splendid now. But yesterday it was so wet that workmen didn't do anything at all. So yesterday probably बारिश वारिश होगी, so that is why it was so wet. That workman didn't work. How much hay have you started? So hay is जो dried grass. तो गाय भैंसों को चराने के लिए यूज करते हो ना, भूसा वगैरह जो भी होता है, तो that is hay. So she asked him, how much hay have you stacked? Just think, I felt greedy and had the whole field cut. And now I'm not at all pleased about it because I'm afraid my hay may rot. So yesterday what she did was कि she was being greedy कि जल्दी से जो भी घास हो गई है तो let us get it cut down और इसको स्टोर कर दे जल्दी जल्दी से. But yesterday it rained, तो बारिश हो गई और सूखी घास के ऊपर बारिश गिरेगी तो क्या होगा? It may start to rot. So she is concerned about that कि कहीं घास सड़ने ना लग जाए. I ought to have waited a bit, but what's this? Why are you in an evening dress? Well, I never. Are you going to a ball or what? So जब ये इसकी बात कर रही थी, suddenly she notices कि ये तो भाई dressed up होकर आ रहा है. So she asked him, why are you so dressed up? Why are you in evening dress? So are you going to a ball or something? So ball means कोई party वगैरह, ballroom जैसे आजकल होता है ना, ये बड़े हॉल्स अवेलेबल होते हैं फॉर पार्टीज एंड ऑल, तो बॉल रूम कहते हैं उनको. सो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ. सो शी आस्क्ड whether are you going to a ball or something. I must say you look better. Tell me, why are you got up like that? कि why have you come in such an attire कि इतने इस तरीके से कपड़े पहनकर क्यों आए हो भाई यहाँ पर? So Lomov says, and he's excited now. You see, honored Natalia Stefanova, the fact is, I made up my mind to ask you to hear me out. Of course, you'll be surprised and perhaps even angry, but aside, it's awfully cold. So, ये कुछ बोल रहा है अभी कि again मक्खन लगा के honored Natalia Stefanova, that the fact is that I made up my mind to ask you to hear me out. तो घुमा फिर आगे बोल रहा है कि I want to ask you कि मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सुनो उस चीज को. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड और परहैप्स एंग्री विद दैट, कि आपको शायद कुछ शॉक लगे, यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड और यू मे बी इवन एंग्री. सो असाइड मींस उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? इट्स ऑफली कोल्ड. कि दिमाग में कई बार होता है ना कि मतलब यू आर डूइंग समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट और दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा होता है कि इतनी ठंड क्यों है भाई यहाँ पर, या इतनी गर्मी क्यों है. सो ही इज फीलिंग ऑफली कोल्ड. Natalia, what's the matter? Well, Lomov, I shall try to be brief. You must know, honored Stefanova, that I have long, since my childhood. तो कहानी शुरू कर देता है अपनी. He says that it is going to be brief. कि छोटे में मैं कहूँगा, लेकिन again he begins off with his story. कि since my childhood, I had the privilege of knowing your family. My late aunt and her husband, for whom, as you know, I inherited my land, always had the greatest respect for your father and your late mother. So he says that I have known your family since I was a child, and my late aunt, so he had inherited जो estate है, जो land है, he had inherited from his uncle and aunt. So he says that जो मेरी aunt और उनके husband थे, so even they had greatest respect for your father and your late mother. So जो नटालिया की mother, she must have expired. So his ये Lomov's aunt and husband, तो कहने की बात है, आगे पता चलेगा कि किस तरह की respect थी. Aunt and her husband had greatest respect for your father and your late mother. Lomovs and Chukovs have always had the most friendly and I might almost say the most affectionate regard for each other. So जो भी दोनों families हैं, Lomovs and Chukovs, so they have always been friendly and they also had very cordial relations, very lovely relations with each other. And as you know, my land is a near neighbor of yours. Even my land is next to yours. You will remember that my oxen meadows touch your birch woods. तो एक और बात बताता है that एक तो हमारी लैंड बिल्कुल बगल में है एंड माय ऑक्सन मीडोज क्या होता है जो गाय भैंस चराने के लिए जगह होती है ना खुला मैदान होता है जो छोड़ देते हैं so that is oxen meadows so he says that my oxen meadows touch your birch is a tree एक ट्री है तो birch wood means वहां पर उस जगह पर काफी birch trees उगे होंगे. So Natalia replies, excuse my interrupting you. You say my oxen meadows, but are they yours? Lomo, yes, mine. Natalia, what are you talking about? Oxen meadows are ours, not yours. So Natalia interrupts him. She says, excuse me for interrupting you. My oxen meadows, that means oxen meadows में तुम्हारे कैसे हो गए? सही में तुम्हारे हैं? So Lomo agrees, yes, they are mine. So she refuses. She outrightly says, क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई? मतलब they are ours, not yours. Lomo then, no, mine, honored Natalia Stefanova. So he is still trying to be sophisticated. क्योंकि हाथ मांगना है भाई, मतलब he wants to propose. Natalia, well, I've never knew that before. How do you make that out? तो वो थोड़ा sarcastically कह रही है कि ये तो मुझे कभी पता ही नहीं था. ये कैसे भाई बात कहाँ से बना रहे हो? Lomo, how? I'm speaking of those oxen meadows which are wedged in between your birch woods and the burnt marsh. So, अब ये थोड़ा सा location properly दे रहा है कि I am speaking of those oxen meadows which are wedged between. Wedge means wedge is a shape. इस तरीके से होता है. तो which are wedged between. तो यहाँ पर शायद there is a marsh, burnt marsh. Marsh ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पर पानी वानी भरा होता है. बीच में पानी वानी काफी इकट्ठा होता है तो और छोटे प्लांट्स वगैरह भी उगे हुए होते हैं तो दैट इज अ मार्शी एरिया. पॉन्ड्स ऑफ वाटर बने होंगे जैसे थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी अलग अलग जगह इकट्ठा होया हुआ. तो नेट पे सर्च करना एग्जैक्ट इमेज मिल जाएगी. आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन क्योंकि जब तक देखोगे नहीं तब तक समझ में नहीं आएगा मार्श क्या है. So burnt marsh, probably that marsh is burnt कि आग वाग लगा दी होगी किसी ने उस मार्श में. And your birchwoods, तो birchwood यहाँ पर है पेड़ वाला इलाका. So this is the oxen meadow. So he is trying to explain the area where the oxen, what he is talking about. Natalia, yes, they're ours. No, you're mistaken, honored Natalia Stefanova. They're mine. So they have started to quarrel. ये भाई मेरा है नहीं ये मेरा है. Natalia, just think, Ivan Vasilovich, how long have they been yours? Lomo, how long? As long as I can remember. So Natalia asks कि भाई कितने टाइम से है तुम्हारे? So Lomo says, as long as I can remember कि जब से मुझे पता है तब से तो ये हमारे ही हैं. Natalia, really, you won't get me to believe that. Lomo, but you can see from the documents, honored Natalia Stefanova, oxen meadows, it's true, were once a subject of dispute, but now everybody knows that they're mine. Lomo, but you can see from the documents, honored Natalia Stefanova, oxen meadows, it's true, were once subject of dispute, but now everybody knows that they're mine. So he tries to say that you can look at the documents. So once oxen meadows were a matter of dispute. There was some dispute over the oxen meadows, but now it is absolutely clear the dispute is over and everyone knows that the oxen meadows belong to me. You see, my aunt's grandmother, there's nothing to argue about. You see, my aunt's grandmother gave the free use of these meadows in perpetuity to the peasants of your father's grandfather. So he says that his aunt's grandmother gave the free use of these meadows in perpetuity to the peasants of your father's grandfather. तो काफी पुरानी बात है. So probably Lomov's aunts जिससे उन्होंने हेरिट किया है and his grandmother had given the free use of these meadows की जमीन दे दी है to some people for free use in perpetuity कि unlimited use unlimited time तक you can use it. और वो लोग कौन थे? They were peasants of your father's grandfather. That means जो नटालिया के ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर थे, उनके जो पेजेंट्स थे उनको दिया था, in return for which they were to make bricks for her, and in return they were going to make bricks for her. Her means Lumov's aunt's grandmother. The peasants belonging to your father's grandfather had the free use of meadows for 40 years and had got into the habit of regarding them as their own. When it happened that, so he further explains that जो भी आपके peasants थे, grandfathers के great grandfather के peasant थे, so they used it for 40 years, or they started thinking that these meadow are theirs. When it happened that, so when he tries to explain further, Natalia interrupts. No, it isn't all like that. Both grandfather and great grandfather reckoned that their land extended to burnt marsh, which means that oxen meadow were ours. I don't see what there is to argue. It's simple, silly. So ये उल्टा कहती है कि जो भी ग्रैंडफादर थे, ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर थे, ये सारे के सारे कहते थे कि ये जो हमारी जमीन है, our land extends up to burnt marsh. That means the oxen meadows lie within our territory. No, I'll show you the documents, Natalia Stefanova. Natalia, no, you're simply joking or making fun of me. What a surprise. We've had the land for nearly 300 years, and then we're suddenly told that it is yours, that it isn't ours. Ivan Vasilovich, I can hardly believe my own ears. These meadows aren't worth much to me. They only come to 5 desiatins and are worth perhaps 300 rubles. But I can't stand unfairness. Say what you will, I can't stand unfairness. So now Natalia, when Lomov asks that, I'll show you the documents, she says that you are simply joking or you're trying to make fun of me. So it has come to a surprise for me that you're saying this. This land, जो भी oxen meadows की बात कर रहे हैं, so this land has belonged to us for 300 years. Or suddenly you've come and you're saying कि this doesn't belong to us. So you're absolutely joking. I can't believe my ears. What the hell you're saying? So she further elaborates कि these oxen meadows don't worth much. कि इतना महंगा भी नहीं है, मतलब it isn't a great amount of land. So they only come to about 5 desiatins. So desiatins is probably land measurement का कुछ यूनिट होगा, जैसे यहाँ पर कहते हैं ना गज कहते हैं या किला कह देते हैं, तो उसी तरीके से 5 desiatins, probably 5 गज 5 बीघा ऐसे कुछ होगा, and are perhaps 300 rubles. So this is the cost, the price of the land. 300 rubles. Rubles is the currency of Russia. But I can't stand a fairness. That means that the land is not much and the amount is also not much. But I cannot stand unfairness. कि गलत बात भाई, I'll not stand. Say what you will. I can't stand unfairness. So whatever you're saying is absolutely unfair, and I'm not going to stand that. I'm not going to accept that. Lomov, hear me out. I implore you. Implore means plead you. I request you. The peasants of your father's grandfather, as I have already had the honor of explaining you, used to bake bricks for my aunt's grandmother. Now my aunt's grandmother, wishing to make them a pleasant, so he is again trying to explain the same thing. तो इसको लग रहा है कि अलग तरीके से फैला कर बोलूंगा, धीरे धीरे बोलूंगा, तो probably she is going to understand. But Natalia again interrupts. I can't make head or tail of all this about aunts and grandfathers and grandmothers. The meadows are ours. That's all. उसने कहा कोई फालतू की बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The meadows are ours. So please, I am not going to hear anything about grandfathers, grandmothers, aunts, and all. Lomov, mine, Natalia, ours. You can go on proving it for 2 days on end. You can go on and put on 15 dress jackets, but I tell you, they're ours. I don't want anything of yours, and I don't want to give anything of mine. So there. So जो भी है, the heat between the in the argument is increasing now. So they are arguing too much and they are getting angry now. So Natalia says that कितना भी proof दे लो, कितना भी बकवास कर लो, I'm not going to agree to that. You can wear 15 dress jackets. जैसे ड्रेस पहन के आया ना, so she probably thinks कि ये इतना ड्रेस अप इसलिए होकर आया है that they would agree to him when he is dressed up well. ये इतने अच्छे कपड़े पहन के बाद मान लेंगे, but that is not going to happen. I don't want anything of yours, but I'm not going to give anything of mine to you. Lomo, Natalia Stefanova, I don't want the Meadows, but I am acting on principle. If you like, I'll make you a present of them. तो ये क्या कहता है कि भाई मेरे को मीडोज नहीं चाहिए, I am just acting on principle. जो सही है, I am standing with that. सच्ची बात है तो सच्ची बात है. अगर आपको चाहिए, I'll present them to you. I'll give them to you. Natalia, I can make you a present of them myself because they're mine. Your behavior, Ivan Vasilevich, is strange, to say the least. Up to this, we have always thought of you as a good neighbor, a friend. Last year, we lent you our threshing machine. Although on that count, we had to put off our own threshing till November. But you behaved to us as if we are gypsies. Giving me my own land, indeed? No, really? That's not at all neighborly, in my opinion. It's even impudent, if you want to know. So she says that you're trying to present something which belongs to me. So he says that your behavior is quite strange. कि भाई मेरी चीज मेरे को गिफ्ट करोगे तुम? We used to consider that you are a good neighbor, you are a friend. और पिछले साल we also lent you our threshing machine. कि threshing machine वो याद हो तो पहले जो इसका father था, तो he was saying कि if he has come to ask for money, that means I'm not going to give it to him. I'll not be giving or lending him any money. So ये शायद इस इंस्टेंस से कि ये बार-बार में आता होगा, कुछ ना कुछ मांगता होगा इनसे. So she says that we lent you our threshing machine, even if that meant that we had to put off our threshing, our work till November. कि हमारा काम डिले हुआ, but still we lent you our threshing machine, and you behave to us as if we were gypsies. Gypsies क्या होते हैं? Gypsies were people, जैसे बंजारे होते हैं ना यहाँ पर, वैसे gypsies की इधर से उधर भटकते रहते हैं. So she says that you are behaving to us as if we are gypsies, कि हमें दान करोगे तुम भाई. Giving me my own land, indeed? Oh, no, really, that's not at all neighborly. कि ये भाई पड़ोसी वाला हिसाब किताब नहीं है जिस तरीके से तुम बिहेव कर रहे हो, और treating us like gypsies, कि हम मांगने वाले हैं क्या जो तुम हमें गिफ्ट करोगे, और वो भी हमारी चीज. It's even impudent. It is even disrespectful, if you want to know. Lomov, then you make out that I am a land grabber. Madam, never in my life have I grabbed anybody else's land, and I shan't allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. Well, quickly steps to the carafe and drinks more water. Oxen meadows are mine. So he defends himself कि I am not a land grabber and I haven't grabbed anyone's land at all in my life. But एक तो मैंने grab नहीं किया, I'm not going to take such an accusation, and I'm not going to allow anyone to grab my land. कि ना तो मैंने कभी किसी का लिया है, ना मैं कभी किसी को दूंगा. So he quickly moves to the carafe and drinks more water. Carafe क्या होता है? एक कंटेनर टाइप का होता है, made up of glass. तो इस तरीके का पानी है इसके अंदर. So he moves to the carafe and drinks more water. And he says that the oxen meadows are mine. Natalia, it's not true. They're ours. Lomov, mine. Natalia, it's not true. I'll prove it. I'll send my mowers out to the meadows this very day. So I'll also prove you that the meadows are ours. I'll send my mowers. Mowers कौन से होते हैं? जो घास काटने के लिए होते हैं ना, machines. So those are mowers. So I'll send my mowers out to the meadows this very day. कि अगर मैं अपनी चीज भेज रही हूँ and I'm cutting the grass there, that means they're mine. Lomo, what? My mowers will be there this very day. Lomo, I'll give it to them in the neck. Natalia, you dare? So जब वो कहती है I'll send my movers, तो ये कहता है I'll give it to them in their neck, कि कान वो कनपट्टी में मारूंगा और भगा दूंगा वहां से. Natalia, you dare, करके तो दिखाओ भाई, ऐसे कैसे कर दोगे? Lomo clutches at his heart. Oxen widows are mine. You understand? Mine. So clutches at his heart means कि छाती को पकड़ता है. Probably he's feeling uneasiness. कि excited हो गया ना, काफी पहले बताया था कि he suffers from palpitations. Heartbeat बहुत जल्दी increase हो जाती है. Oxen meadows are mine. You understand? Mine, Natalia. Please don't shout. You can shout yourself hoarse in your own house, but here I must ask you to restrain yourself. So she asked him, चिल्लाना नहीं यहाँ पर, ये जो बदतमीजी से you're shouting. Hoarse means loudly, very loudly, and very unrespectfully. So you can do that in your own house, but not here. I must ask you to restrain yourself. कि अपने आप को संभालो, यहाँ चीज ये नहीं करनी है. No more. If it wasn't, madam, for this awful, excruciating palpitation, if my whole inside wasn't upset, I'd talk to you in a different way. Oxen widows are mine. So he says, it is because of this excruciating palpitation कि ये जो अंदर हो रहा है ना, उसकी वजह से I am feeling uncomfortable. That is why I have to speak this way. नहीं तो मैं ऐसे कभी बात नहीं करता.